You were trying to flag him down with one finger.
No, I didn't flag it down. I was just flicking guys off.
Okay.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and another episode of the Officer Badger series. This is a series where we go back and look at some of my own body camera footage, break it down, and get a little bit of perspective into what I was thinking at the time and the way I like to do policing. The video for today is not one that I'm going to spend a lot of time talking about. It's actually fairly self-explanatory once the video gets going. But on this particular day, I did look up the date. I think it was in July of 2021. One of my buddies and I were on routine patrol on the west side of Columbus near Westgate Park. I was looking into the park as we drove by and I noticed somebody waving his hand, but he was giving us a one-finger salute and it wasn't this finger. If you know what it is that I'm saying, he was flipping us off. So I'm driving by and I see some guy flipping us off. I say, you know what? I'm not going to let that stand. I have to go talk to this guy. Now, we've seen videos on the internet, and I'll try to find some of their thumbnails and I'll put it up on the screen behind me, of officers going off the handle because somebody flipped them off, arresting people, and those officers getting themselves in a tremendous amount of trouble for arresting somebody for flipping them off, as they should be. If you're a cop and you lose your cool because somebody flips you the bird as you drive by, you need to reevaluate your priorities in life. The reason I like to show this video is to show you my approach to somebody that's flipping me off, the way I handle this kind of situation, and then also watch the way the guy received my approach. I think this is going to surprise a lot of people. And a funny thing that I want to say right before I go is I did post this video, 4 years ago, whenever I got the original footage. I posted it with the title something like, man flips officers off and they talk to him. It was very apparent that people were commenting without even beginning to watch the video, because there were so many people that called me a tyrant and a Nazi in the comments of this particular video. And I think you're going to be surprised by the way things go. So that's it for me today, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you soon.
That's not Corey, is it? What's his name? Hey man, did you need some help with something? Oh, you don't? Oh, you look like you were flagging us down. You're like, hey, come here and help me. Why would you do that?
Because I don't like cops.
You don't?
They take me to jail and shit. So.
Oh, what do you usually do to go to jail?
Just smack cars and stuff.
Why would you do that? That's kind of a silly thing. Yeah. Are you?
Coming over here?
What's your? Is it Corey? Is that your name? Yeah, I know you.
Yeah.
I've taken you to the hospital before.
Yeah, I just went last night. I just got out. They let me go after I was walking down the street of the night.
Really?
Yeah, and they let me go. I don't know why they let me go when I really need the help.
Are you feeling all right? Are you feeling all right?
Well, I've been trying to fight, what's going on with me, homicidal thoughts and shit,
Yeah, I know. Are you currently on your meds?
No, I've been taking them. That's why I went there to go try to get them and shit.
Why? Oh, so do you ever have a problem with like your insurance or something?
No, I mean, everything's cool with that. I just,
You just haven't been picking them up?
I haven't been taking them.
Why not?
I don't know.
But you don't want to be feeling this way, right?
No, I don't.
So what's stopping you from picking up your meds?
I don't know. I lost a whole bottle of them, like 90 tablets of Viagra.
How'd you do that? How'd you lose it?
I was over there at the drive-thru and I must have dropped them out of my pocket.
Sucks. Will they give you more?
No, probably not. Because it's a controlled substance. I like that.
You still live with your mom over there?
No, I'm not living there no more.
Where are you staying?
Well, I'm actually on Grove City Road, Oklahoma.
Oh, really? You're staying there now?
Yeah.
How are you paying for that?
Just paying for it, man.
Are you getting your disability or something?
No,
do you have a case manager you normally do?
Yeah, I do. He's been working on that with me. I should have my money by next month. My back pay.
Okay. And they'll help you get into housing and stuff too.
Course, yeah. No, he was trying to put me in a group home. I ain't going to the group home. I'm going to get my own place.
I don't know if a group home would work for you very
No,
well.
it's not. Too many people around. Like, I don't like being around people and shit.
Yeah. I've been talking to you ever since I first came out here to the hilltop.
No shit. When did you start in the hilltop?
10 years ago.
Damn.
Like,
I
do you
know
remember that night that you got mad at your girlfriend and you punched through a window and cut your
I
arm?
remember that shit.
I was out there for that.
Fucking night.
That was crazy, man. You were bleeding all over the place.
Bleeding everywhere down the. She said I was bleeding down the house.
Yeah. I used to drive by and show people that White House had a big string of blood running down the side.
Greenhouse or whatever.
Yeah. And it was funny because you were swinging your arms around,
Yeah.
and it would drop these big puddles of
No
blood.
shit, I didn't know that.
Yeah, the firefighters had to wrap you up.
I was so pissed off that night. And I went to the hospital, I was bleeding, and I was trying to fight with the security guards and shit, and then this nurse calmed me down, and she said something about food, you know what I mean? That's the way to a man's belly is the food.
Yeah, it's true. Hey, if you're living down in Grove City, how'd you get up here today?
Oh, I gotta stay around here.
Well, you said you've been staying in Grove City.
Yeah, but I stay there, but I come through here through the day.
come up here to hang out.
Back here at night, you know.
Well, at least while the weather is nice, you can hang out
It
up
is,
here.
it's pretty nice.
353.
Yeah, so you were.
Yesterday I got a sunburn on my neck and shit.
Yeah, it's a little cloudy today. It's gonna get hot this weekend.
Copy.
So you said you were at the hospital yesterday?
As soon as I get a mid-watch,
Yeah, I just got out of there.
Which hospital did you go to?
OSU, Maine.
Really?
Yeah.
And they didn't give you
They
meds
let
or
me
anything?
go. They gave me this little pill that I take, but it's a different kind because it's like tastes sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like better than candy. I'm like, damn.
Really?
I need to get that kind of pill, you know?
Yeah, then you'll never forget to take it if you like taking them. So,
Yeah, but they should have never let me go when I was doing, you know, I don't know why they let me go.
probably because they know you and they just kind of know that's normal for you.
Yeah, it's normal.
I mean, I know that you have like thoughts and stuff and you're not always right, but normal for you is not normal for everybody
It's
else.
not.
And I think you're still kind of in control.
Yeah, I'm in control. It's just, I get my shit together, man. I'm out here fucking up.
You didn't do anything.
Lost a $60 speaker last night, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I had to replace my mom's speaker because I lost it. She was so upset about it, but I really didn't mean to do it. I was over here at the gas station, and
Sounds like you lost everything over the gas
yeah,
station.
I lost the other day I lost $40, a Black and Mild, and a beer. I was all drunk and I was drinking. I lost $40. It was like 50 bucks, over 50 bucks. I ended up losing somehow. I bought me some beers, was drinking them, and I think I had it in my hand. I dropped it. Somebody was happy that day, you know, to find my shit, getting happy.
I'd be pretty happy if I found 40 or 50 bucks laying around. So you're not living with your mom right on Sullivan anymore?
Nah.
Did she kick you out or what?
Well, she's just sick of my shit. She wants to give me tough love, you know what I mean?
I know it's hard though when you're dealing with what you're dealing with.
Oh, I'll get through it, man.
And your case manager is trying to get you a spot.
Well, I'm gonna find my own spot. It's just I'm waiting for the money to come through.
I know, but they do a better job.
Yeah.
I mean, because they can find the ones that'll take your kind of
payment.
payment.
Give me a place somewhere.
Oh, really? Up by campus?
Yeah.
That might not be the best place for you, dude.
Why not?
A lot of partying and drinking and stuff up
Well,
there.
that's what I do.
I know, but down here at least there's not a lot of people that you can hurt.
You said what?
At least down here it's a little bit safer. Up in campus, people aren't used to being around people like you. Down here on the west side, they're kind of used to it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Because you go different places. And fuck cops up there might grab me.
They might, man. They might,
Yeah, 'cause,
especially if
yeah.
they're driving by and you're trying to flag them down with one finger.
No, I didn't flag it down. I was just flicking you guys off.
Okay. But apparently you did want to talk. He's just checking, make sure we're okay.
Oh.
But you did want to talk to us. That's why you were flagging us down.
Tell me I need to go back.
Tell them we're okay for us.
Huh?
Tell them we're okay.
Say, hey, Brad, they're good.
Brad? That's his name.
Yeah.
Man, can you take me back to OSU, man?
If you want to ride up there,
Because
I
I
can.
was trying to go there because, like,
But
they
you were.
helped me, you know,
What
that's
time did they
OSU.
release you? Was it last night?
Just this morning, man. I shouldn't have left, but I thought I was good, but I just need my medication. I can't get it no other way. You know what I mean? They give it to me.
Do they
right
give it to
there.
you at Netcare?
They give no, man. They don't give you no meds there. You go there and just sit without it until they send you out somewhere.
The problem is, but
every time you guys.
OSU just
guys-
released you.
Yeah, just take me to Netcare, could you?
Is Netcare taking people right now?
They are not divert, probably.
He's gonna look at the computer.
No,
Yeah, man, you've been through this too many times.
It's fucking getting off. rifle, man.
Yeah. What else do you have in your pockets?
Oh, I just got some I ain't got no knife.
No weapons or anything? Got lighter or anything like that?
I ain't got no knife.
I'm not gonna cuff you. I'll pat you down here in a minute.
All right.
He's looking on the computer. Is that your cup right there?
Yeah.
We're not taking that with us.
Yeah, we gotta take that.
What's in it?
It's empty.
Okay. If it's empty, I'll put it in the back.
All right.
We can even put all the stuff that's in your pocket in the cup. Is it dry?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I want you to put your stuff in that cup.
They are not right now. They came off.
Okay.
You go over there?
Yeah, put that stuff in there, and then I'll pat you down. It's easier when you don't have anything in your pockets.
Yeah, I got 2 phones and all that.
Okay. Yeah, put the small stuff in first. That bag will come in handy.
Yeah. Put on my shirt. I got a little.
What are you doing with that rock in your hand?
Oh, I just got.
You just like it? I don't care.
I like rocks, you know what I mean? I collect rocks.
Yeah, my kids collect rocks too.
I've always collected rocks and shit for some reason.
You got a cigarette or a butt in your pocket. So we can keep that.
I said, it's just a filter.
All right, man, just hang tight. Just gotta make sure. You got your waistband right there. Anything in your shorts pockets underneath?
No, I got
think
nothing
so.
in my pocket.
Is that hat new?
Yeah, I just bought it the other day.
You don't keep anything tucked into your socks or anything, right? All right, man. Come over to my side. The seatbelt's broken on the other.
Oh, that's
Take this cup. We'll set it in the back.
right. Chainsaw accident?
There you go. Just grab a seat for me. Do me a favor and put your seatbelt on. It's in the center and it buckles right here.
Why
Yep.
is it?
It's this one here. Well, that way we don't have to reach over people. Usually it's
Right,
connected
yeah.
up here. All right, Corey. Neck here we go. Oh, okay. All right, man. Let me get your mug. There you go, Corey. Just leave it all in there. It'll be easier.